on today or even into the day tomorrow. We'll keep you updated, but that should stay safely out to sea. This is Dorian. This is the one that Nikki was talking about. It's a small system. There's lots of dry air surrounding it. These small tropical storms can really be tricky to forecast. Our computer models don't handle them well at all, but we have the forecast up to a Category 1 hurricane in the Eastern Caribbean near the Dominican Republic by Friday. So we'll have plenty of time to keep our eyes on this one.